Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question. So here is our important question for today which comes up often in the exam, and this is a very good question. Please first of all stop the video and read the question completely so that you can know what your complete question is. If you have read the question completely, then let's know the answer to our important question for today. So, here is the answer to our important question, which is very easy and the best solution to ensure success in the exam. So, stop the video and write this answer in your notebook and ensure your success in the exam. Welcome to Class Beta's YouTube channel. We are excited to have you here and share our passion for education with you. At Class Beta, we are committed to providing high quality educational content that's both informative and engaging. Our goal is to help you learn and grow, and to provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to succeed. We cover a wide range of topics on our channel, from science and mathematics to history and geography. Our videos are designed to be interactive and engaging with expert opinions, real life examples, and quizzes to help you test your knowledge. Whether you are a student looking to improve your grades, a professional looking to develop new skills, or simply someone with a passion for learning, we have got you covered. Our videos are designed to be accessible and easy to understand, and we are always here to answer your question and provide support. So, why not subscribe to our channel and join our community of learners? We are excited to have you on board and look forward to helping you achieve your goals. So,